Millions of Americans every week are practicing physical yoga, but very few people are meditating, very few people are working on themselves in a deep way. So then we have people with beautiful back bends, beautiful physical practice, very transformed bodies, but their minds, their lives, their hearts are still untransformed. And so what I focus on is what I call inner yoga, which is all of the practices of yoga, really except for the physical practice. We focus on meditation, we focus on self-inquiry, we focus on the deep ego work that yoga originally was intended for. We take people through a transformational process so that they can heal the inner wounds that they need to heal. They can overcome the bad conditioning that is really holding them back in their life. And ultimately, they can reunite their individual experience with the universal experience. Ultimately, the inner yoga practices are there to give us an experience of union with God. And that's what a yoga practice has always been a journey, has been a path to that reunion with our sacred nature. We're trying to bring that back.